This is my last sem in college, so get ready with me for school, and today I'll wear something pink and brown. Actually, na-decidean ko na ito yung skirt na susutin ko. Kasi, aside sa brown siya, may pink, may pink highlights whatsoever. So, pwedeng-pwede siya. This is how the skirt looks. Ang cute niya na! 25 pesos ko lang ito siya nabili. Ukay, of course. Okay guys, na-realize ko lang, wala akong masyadong pink na inner top. Na alam mo yung parang tank top lang na pink. Meron akong isa, pero like, sabi ko nga, wala masyadong options. I'll just wear this. Actually, na-pair ko na sila together before, but iba yung shoes na susuotin ko today. Don't even have a class today kasi may org fair. So, I'll just visit sa org fair. And also, guys, meron kasi tayong interview later with Miss Winnie Cordero. Let's Zoom interview siya for Teleradyo Servicio. May interview tayo with Miss Winnie Cordero, and it's so surreal kasi napapanood ko lang siya before, and now we're going to be interviewed. We'll be talking about like, you know, my content creation here on TikTok, about ukay-ukay and stuff like that. So, of course, sinadya ko talagang full ukay yung susuotin today. By the time na na-post ko tong video, tapos na siguro yung interview, so I'll just send the link of the interview on my Instagram broadcast channel. So, yeah. This is my second interview sa Teleradyo Servicio. They invited me for Wow Sikat na segment with Miss Aquino. And this time, it's with Miss Winnie Cordero. This is our final look. This is full ukay, guys. Ukay, ukay, ukay. Yes! Again, I'll just send the link of the interview sa broadcast channel ko on Instagram. If you wanna watch, see you on Instagram. Bye-bye.